Pull over. Why? Why? No, why? Why? What me do? What? What me do?
Nah, I disagree.
Yo, wagwan people, wagwan. Yo, when I get a shout out, another one here, I'm just literally just post the house party one. So, me never get much sleep today. Just wake up, come out, the garden them clean up the yard and the pool and them thing there, everything clean. I think the maid inside still a clean up some things, but me I go out on the road. So, as you can see from the thumbnail, I go try hard, nothing break, no rules. Somebody left them guitar here, so I don't know who for one, but my one now. Who beg now get who no beg now. So today, I go probably get a bimmer. Me never know which kind of the garage, but me I go out there and me I go try to drive around the map and don't break no rules. Mean no crashes. No gunfights, no fight nobody, no trash talk nobody, no nothing. So if you see me keep looking down there, so that's because the iPad are light up, because the comment section them, like me say, I just posted video, so you know, so the comment section I got at. Big up everybody who there, and you'll get a shout out in the next one. So let's go. Jump into the car, yeah. Oh, the car lock, man. Alright, jump into the bimmer. The red interior, like that car, you know. Car nice, man. We can start up the machine. Start now, man. Why me always got in through the door, yeah? Like me still do it deeper, I don't know why. Yeah. So basically the plan is to head over here, so come back down through here, so and go around back the map and then come back up on my yard. Or go over the yard over here, so that is the plan. So make way do the right thing now. Alright. What you talk about, brother? Don't do that. Don't do that, because my devil left me out there on the one. So basically the carrier have start-stop mode. Like start-stop is where if the car now drive for 5 seconds and stop, the engine cut off, so it's gonna start up back again. So I think the speed limit down there is 40. So I'm gonna try not to break no rules. I'm gonna try to stick to the road. So I'm gonna turn left out there, so I'm gonna stop. This is gonna be hard, you know. Or the person you drive, look at the person you drive, so I have to make him go on down. See? Stop and beat me. But it's alright still. Modern car. That's my car in a real life stay with the stop something. Sometimes you can turn it off. Well, sometimes I do turn it off. But yeah, big up everybody over here. I don't know, as you can see, work I put in like video on top of video, on top of video, on top of video. So I'm not breaking the rules. I drive as normal. You know, I got 37 miles per hour now. I think the speed limit is 45, so I'm good still. You know? Yo, this I got hard, you know, because I can't shoot nobody. I can't beat up nobody. I can't have no crash. I can't bad drive nobody. Like, dog, I carry the back of me like it at tailgate me. And I really don't want to have nothing with that carrier. Like, I try my best. As you know, things never go as planned. If a person crash into me, and we analyze the situation and see that the person crash into me, then you know, say that is not my fault. So, like me say, not gonna beat up nobody or nothing. I might just go over the speed limit every now and then because I not look down the so on the left, on the right, sorry. So I might just go by it a couple times, but that's how life go. The light is a bit bright, people. I wanna think. Sometimes I just turn it off or what? I go stop at the gas station and adjust the light. I not drive and play with my phone, not play with no light, I not do nothing, I do the thing right. So I go over here, so. I never put on my indicator because I don't remember how to do it. I think I L. Oh, the car off. Alright, cool. Alright, touch the light. Better? Yeah, I think I keep it like that, you know, because it's quite bright in here. Yeah, I think that will be alright. Alright, so let's go. Start, stop, something. Try the indicator then. Indicator. Yeah. And is it J? No, not J. Come on, start man. So that's the indicator for the left. So would it be the right? No, it's not the right. K? Okay. J and K. Okay, alright. Me need to use my indicator then, so let's go. Not knocking from down there, so. Oh, something come. Oh, we can still come out still? Yeah? Oh, no. Okay. At the start up something beat me now. Alright, let we go. Wish me luck, guys. It's a go hard, yo, cause this a go hard, people. Cause you know some is a man where always find somebody to mash up or something, you know? Break up somebody. Where me I go? Me I go right, so indicate. Yep, on the work. Alright, take off indicator now. Press it back again, I think. Yeah, the indicator come off, so alright, that's good. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Well, I always say that, but it always turn out something always turn out to happen. Where it always just change. Like my video them never go as planned, people. My day never go as planned. You see me? But yeah, big up everybody who watch, big up the notification gang. Please people, when time you subscribe to the channel, if you don't click the bell and click all. Click the bell and there's a drop down button that will come up, click all. That means that anytime we drop a video, you're over here fast. Are you getting the notification to say yo me drop a video? Who? You can't do that, you know. You can't do that, brother. I don't want to have no crash or nothing, dog. I try my best to be a good boy. I am a boy. Big boy. So a person I drive what 20 miles per hour? I not go around, I not overtake him, I not do nothing, I just drive normal. Cause that is the rule today. Not break no rule. Not the police can forward after me, nothing can go on. A big plane the man, where to land? It can't land up at Trevor Airport, so I don't know where to land. And it'll go away from the city. They may well want to overtake the carrier in the dog, like, you know what the carrier drives us to, I must have granny night. A bicycle I ride, I go faster than me, dog. Look there, bicycle go past me now, look. Bicycle keep up with me. That's not for going. What a person can brake so hard on them brake, people. Like, you must drive on a brake. You don't need to drive on brake, bro. Just drive, bro. Don't make me get dark, you know. Alright, calm down. Don't get dark. Let me see if I can take off my glasses because they reflect. See if I can see my eyes look a bit better. I probably not gonna go all over the map because the video gonna be too long. Probably gotta just do a look run around the table, drinking Red Label, waiting for it to go boom back. So after some I go right. That person thank you.
Wrong.
Look off indicator now. Yeah, I do it, dog. Yes, I do it. I do it, dog. My person, yeah, move away still, you know. Go on right now? Yeah, turn right. Yes. Right, you just let me turn right away, like when I left. Well, me indicate, me know me attack. Sorry. Let me get my left and right mix up that one there. Sorry, my bad. Don't put in the comment section I'm deep now. My bad. Sorry. Yeah. We just pick up the comment and say, oh, the man there go right again. And then just turn right. Oh, left. Stupid. Oh, that. Dear, oh dear. Carry a course, you know. Now press no brake, and I do nothing, you know. Just make it go on, you know. Oh, this look like a wish for me left off, so. What go on here, so? I go right. Alright, me indicate. But, we're good. There wasn't no car behind me. Me indicate. That was good. I was just in time. Yo, this hard, you know. It's one of the hardest thing, you know. Because, you know, the carrier fast and we just want to press, you know. Tell me people, wanna like the car color, yeah? Let me know if you like the color, please. And the thing inside. I'm not sure how I gone inside. It have the dashboard inside with the speedometer on the window. Yeah. When I'm bridging our Benz like that too, you know. I'm going around straight road here, man. When I'm bridging a car like this too. No, not the BMW, but the same dashboard on the windscreen something. Yeah. Hologram on the windscreen. Nice. Drive it a couple of times. Sick. Alright. A beautiful day. Oh, what's going wrong, sir? What's going wrong, sir? Okay, I'm turning. Let me come out of first person mode so I can see what's going on. Okay, I'm turning. Nothing coming. One behind me, but no, go. Let's go. If you not enjoy the content, people, please share the video them. Like me say, I gotta put up a thing about the live. What I'm still indicate now. About the live. That is not breaking the law, by the way. Driving while indicating without knowing. That is annoying because enough driver do it to me at daytime on the road, but it's just people not paying attention. Yeah, me not go so far. A lot of people may pull over and sort out the thing on the map. Indicate and pull over there, half of the road. Alright, stop indicate. Alright, start out the map. It take me to here, so more forward down here, so. Alright, so I'm change the waypoint now. Make we start up the vehicle again. Okay, indicate out. So I'm gonna go out. Check my mirror. Alright, now come. So I can go back out. Alright, cool. Take off indication. Alright, not going good so far. But that slow carrier come. Oh god. The speed limit is 50 miles per hour, so we just pass a sign there. 50 miles per hour, so why you drive like that, bro? Oh, 50 kilometer per hour. How much miles per hour is that? Miles per hour me use, so England me there. Me not make a video too long, cause right time now, 10:30 now. I have to go work in the morning same way, but you don't know, me just drop a video, so I just say, yo, me in the movie make a next one, so what can I make? Why not? Do not break the law. So, JWD Nation, if I break the law at any point, want to put it in the comment section and tell me which the time of the video when I break the law. Please tell me that. You don't have to indicate this a while ago. Why am I indicate this a while ago for? No man, you can just go straight out, man. You don't have to indicate, because him indicate left and then him indicate right. So that don't make no sense. He do something wrong this a while ago, not me. I'm joining on. I'm joining on the road. On the main. Drive your car please, bro. Like, me not tailgate him because that is breaking the law. Me not want to break the law. Yeah. How much time is a law in another video, yeah, people? Law? Yeah. So in the next video, big up I go on. And it's big up I go on. Yeah. The person I drive really slow though. The person I drive really slow. God knows the person I drive really slow. That wind me up.
What the hell did you just say?
Why? Why for the wind up? Unless there's a woman in there. Why for the wagon bike, eh? Good. Give me a little toot, make him see us. Yeah. The person I break the law or what? By driving so slow, because that is actually breaking the law now. One time one of my brethren got him driving test and him failed because he was driving too slow. Them actually failing on it. So yeah, me know that is a no-no. If you drive too slow, you can obstruct traffic, and that is a no-no. But that person I drive what, between 20 and 25. The person not drive hard, brother. And it's out, yo, you know. So far so good. Me no crash. BMW still in good nick, still in good contact. Nothing. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh! Him good. Him never stopped. Him never said nothing, so him good. That was my fault though. That was my fault. So I guess I can count that as break the law once. For tailgating him. Oh, police. Oh, man, pull over, man, pull over. Man, pull over, bro. Man, pull over.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Pull over. Why? No, why? What me do? What? What me do? People, me not wanted. No, me not wanted. Me not wanted, bro. Me not wanted, bro. No, me not wanted. Me do nothing. Me put over phone. Me not wanted. Me still not try to break the law. Me not want. I want ball, dog. Big man thing. I want ball, brethren. This never go as planned. Like, me not people, me not do nothing. If I pull up and I go kill me, look there. Look there, me still not speed up. If me stop and I go kill me. Oh hell no! Look at yo. I do this thing. Like, what me do? Me don't do the people. Yo. Me don't do the people. Watch out. The people about what me do? Me don't do nothing. Yo, watch it, man. Me don't do nothing to people. Yo, me don't do nothing. See a police don't pick for me on the seat though. On the seat. People. My video them is not scripted. Them not planned. Not drive. People. Me don't do the police them nothing. I have to go break law now because I have to go break law now. I'm stop blind same way. The police them nothing. Yo, never planned for this. We never planned for it. Yo, I'm gonna break law. I have to break law now. I have to break law and get her from them and then fix up my car and carry on. Come on, I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing. Me not do nothing, people. Me not take no bad up from them police, yeah. Me not take no bad up from them people. Me not break no law. No, me a break law. No, me a break law with them. Oh, you reach back and me see him here. Alright, check him. Where? Over there, sir. Oh, bridge. No, not over there. You couldn't go over there, man. People, I don't see what going on a while ago though. Me I drive good. Me not do nothing. Nothing at all. Why am I so bad lucky? So what on now? So young youth, not for rich and have car to have nice car. Look at the police come to my car for no reason. I did pull over. Yo, this a sin, dog. This a sin, brother. I never expected this a video go like this. Seriously, dog. Like my day, them police are always try to mash up my day. I gonna lose them, fix back my car, and then carry on with my video that was planned. Go pressure. Yo, I joke this, dog. Like big man thing, I joke this, brother. This never planned. Up pressure. Alright, I lose them now. I go fix back my car and then come out of the park. Yo, this never planned, dog. I swear, if this they plan, they're bad enough so bad people. So them police just want something for just fight me for. Oh, well, I'm gonna drive go over the casino and go take a 5 minutes and go take a 5 minute car. This thing that stress me out, dog. I know say truly me never do nothing. Truly me never do nothing, dog. I'm drive go over the casino and go see what I go on, and then carry on with my day. Me just want 5 minutes for myself to take a break. Yo, people. Yo, look here. The police them shoot me. Them try to brutalize me. Them try to bully me. I'm gonna do nothing to them, and I'm not happy about that. I will be making a formal report to the nearest police station, which them are gonna probably try to arrest me. And it no fear like, but me no do nothing. Me can't stop saying me no do nothing, cause me never do nothing to them. Me never do nothing to them people. Nothing. Me I drive and them say pull over. I'm at the light a minute. Me I drive and them say pull over, and obviously me pull over to make the next car where them at chase. Because the next car lick me first, you know. Next car where them a run down now, licking on the back of me now. People may have to defend themselves. Don't make nobody take you for no idiot. People defending themselves. Here I come? No. Don't make nobody take you for no idiot. Defending themselves, people. And that me do a while ago to get it from them. If me start them, would kill me. I'm a war my life. And now make them kill me like how them kill George Floyd around here. Nah do it, dog. Nah do it, dog. Go left. Nah do it. Right, sorry. I'm not telling us right. Go left. Wrong lane me now. I lane me now. Yeah, I'm good. Yo, me nah do it, dog. Nah do it, dog. Nah do it. Nah make them kill me. And nah make them kill me. What me do? Sorry. Like, sorry, bro. Oh, up on my party. You up on my party? I go straight. I remember great night the other night, so I'm going to up on my party, my talking me up there. How going, bro? You good? Yo. The stop something and beat me, you know. Stop something and beat me, kill me. Sorry, I can't see the light from myself. Yo, people, I'm not doing nothing. Look how my car nice. Police are my hater, dog. Police are my hater, dog. Police are my hater, brother. Like, they need to be disciplined, and I will be disciplining them in my own way. In my own way, I will be disciplining them. I know that for a fact. Bike, you wait now. Bike, you wait now. Yeah, man, I will be disciplining these police. The police department will try to tarnish my life and tarnish my character a while ago. For nothing at all, and I never do nothing at all. You can't stop saying that, like the dog. If you're gonna do something, it would have been bad enough so bad. But me know in myself, so I never do nothing, and them still try out for me. If I never run, I presume that they right now are dead, which I think they'll probably be dead. If I never care for a while, I'm dead like anti-fallen. You see me? So I have to look after myself, dog. Look after my life, because them police I want to take it. Black police me see they shoot after me, like black police I shoot a black man, like me not wanted, bro, me not wanted. Brother, me run a red light, oh, green light, oh, that's yeah, red light, this is hard, especially when police are running down. Alright, stop us. Let me attack. Oh, we can go. Yes, it's light green. I'm just being wrong then. We can go, man. We could have go. Yeah, man, light green. Not cracking, brother. Them police are crack some shut off of me, but my duck and dive, you see me? No, I get them boy nothing off of me, brother. I get them boy nothing for me, dog. Come in nice and scare them and them eat me for. Bad mind I kill them, you know? Bad mind I kill them. People them bad mind out here for no reason. Me don't do nobody nothing in life. Me a good youth. Ask the public, no man. Me a good youth. What? What go on, bro? Call Vlad, me can't call you. Me can't use my phone and call you my family. I have to wait. I can't use my phone and call you right now. I drive my G. And then police want to take my life, my G. Taxi, what go on, you good? Yeah, dog, the police want murder me. Because them hear say me have a gun and roll thunder. Circling, but I never see my number. Not raise me. Yeah, dog. But them the man I go through depression and the hunger. Am I like this? Oh, wow. I can't understand them American thing, you know. I have to install some British road, you know. Oh, okay. Right. Oh, that's have to left. Alright, cool. Yeah, people. Police are trying to circle me. murder me. Because them hear say me have a gun roll thunder. But just say never feel me number that time there. So better them go on with them a go. No man nobody than Jack. Well them try it dog. Look at me drive good people. If one day I come out and say yo me nah kill nobody, I me nah brandish no gun, I me nah drive bad on the road. But not them attempt me, them a jam me out. It's like them want me do something. Even when time me do nothing. The only you see, if me did it in a one built up here like yes sir, them wouldn't try kill me no. But here one now, you see because me the out in the countryside where I just 2 car alone there, them can easily kill me and kill them 2 man they will see. So no witness, no evidence. You see me? Police are corrupt, corrupt. Them corrupt. Look like Officer Brown send them, but everything good. Everything good, you know? Everything good. Me did apply for a job. What do I call that? Me did apply for a job run a couple days ago, you know. Online, me do it online. But me never get an email, so I go around and go check and apply for the job there and then to see what them people are say, you see me? And then see my face and see my dress and see me look good. You see me? And I can have the job. Brother, no racing dog, no racing, no racing there. I'm sure. Alright. Change lane. Not come there. Alright, go. Alright. Go around there. See that person that break the law because him really and truly not indicate. Okay, I need to go down here, so. If you go in there, so. Can I park here, so, though? Can I park here, so? Or sidewalk this? No, I can't park here, so. Cool. Sorry. I'm there on the wrong side of the road, yeah, so, but have to be done. This one's the parking here, so. Okay, got my car. Apply for that job and see if them people are gonna give me the job yeah, doggies.
Looking for a job. What's cracking, home? I'm so fucking tired of it.
Get the job. Congratulations, the job is yours. Yeah, me get the job, me get the job. So one. Alright, let me carry on. I can say me get the job, so I could carry on. So I would drive past Michael house. Yeah, I drive past Michael house. Go up, sir. I drive past Michael house. Sorry, I just broke the red light again. God, they might try after me. So I'm gonna drive past Michael house and see if Michael did it. I'm not go in. So I drive past. Okay. I'm there. I'm gonna roll it down. Yeah. Okay, let's go. If you like the content of the video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Remember the door is always open for you. You hear that? So, but when you come over here, make sure you have there for your good behavior. You see me? Yeah. Everybody over here says a family. You see me? So, Michael was there. On everything there. Michael! I think him there. If him there, I look for him in there. Okay, him gone from the road then. So Michael not there, so I'm gonna drive go over the bus turn here, so nobody ever come in. Alright, I'm cool. I'm gonna drive go over my next house. Good look away, I know I don't go over there. So drive go over there, go see what I go on if everybody good. You see me? So I go on that place. So I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, people me are trying not to break the law, but them people here oh, they're on the right side. I think I'm on the wrong side of the road now, because remember say America different from which family there, you know, so I drive go over my next house and see what I go on, if everything good over there. Long time I don't go over there. See if the caretaker take care of the yard. Oh, could have gone through, you know. Truck man, your turn. Oh, the truck man got. I mean, I wrong lane. Oh, sorry. I wrong lane this. Alright, go around him. Still not break the law. Well, I'm trying not to break the law as much. I'm break the law already. As you know, break the law already. Go on, go, Pastor. Chop man, sorry. I'm not cut you up, still you're good. Oh, that person never indicated nothing, daddy. Cool. Let's do this. Yeah, go down here. Stop indicate now. Yo, the. I have so much house, I can't remember which was some of them there, you know. I have a house out on the about a mile offshore. Like one little island by myself. I have a house out there so too. Need to carry out to go show now I go on one day. But not in this one. But I will carry out there, I promise I will carry out there. Just wait. Promise you I will carry out there. Show now I go on. Okay. Pull up now, we are pull up. Where teeth jump out. Okay. Run us. Okay. Hope everybody good just saying. A long time enough for just saying. A couple car park up on the drive, but you don't know, so I'm gonna like them car there. I'm gonna drive them car there. So people, check out the house, yeah. See where I go. My bicycle still there, but not take it there. Good neighborhood, man. Where I go, mama? If you never know, you know that. If anybody in the comment section tell me who that get a shout out, tell me who that girl here and get a shout out. Look on her good and tell me who get a shout out. Promise you. Yeah man, tell me who. Me who that I don't get a shout out. Man, a pimp round here, yeah. We have kick out the foot and you see me I come for B. You good? Oh, what should I do? Watch TV or something? TV off. So what should I look on? What should I flex about? You get the money? I don't worry, I say. I soon get money. Chop, I go on. I go on, chop. Yeah, I'm be a girl. I see her chill out. Oh, chop, I look on picture though. Yeah, man, chop good, man. Chop and be a girl. I see her chill out, you know? Washroom clean. Yeah, all the dirty clothes, them, where they over here, where they, them wash them out. Not good. Bath is still in my bath. How can I put that? Bath is still, see the bath in there, sir? Oh, she not close this time. What are going to be? In a bath, sir, man. How you wash off? You kin? Yo, just in a bath, sir, B. Yep. See the money there. Where am I going from there? So what happened? I'm not going away. Which book then they are read? Which book this? Which book this? You can't see the book here, right there. Lessons from 1929 stock market. Okay. Business girl, me David. Oh, I'm too no. Girl, I'm a business girl, man. No one herself. Chop. Still go and build, you see it? Yeah, man. Long time I not see no choppy. You good choppy? You choppy? Long time I not see no choppy. What go on? You good? Eh? I did it. You good? Chop. Motor and brush chop. I got a tongue and I go on like that in my face, dog. Mama, put in your foot, man. But yeah. Anybody tell me how this? Get a little shout out. You understand? Yeah. Big up her. Put up on my wall. I wish I didn't get up in the picture there. Yeah. Okay, a little ride. But long time I not go up on my bicycle, you know, people. So people, just want to thank the whole of you who there with me, who support the channel, who share the channel, who like the channel. Big up everybody who there. I wonder if Miss Jones gone to church. I can't tell you, she gone to church. Miss Jones ever gone to church, brother? I'll gonna start the Miss Jones. Hector house I sell? I don't can buy that house here. Hector house I sell, you know? Hector house I sell. Long time I come up, sir. Them people there, they don't really talk to people. Some Chinese people live over there, them go like them better than people all the while. It's my name again. Him and his wife and him girl got him wife work with the internet company. What them name again? Mr. and Mrs. James or something like that. Some, I don't know, I can't get them name. To go around more up on the road. Yeah, them people, yeah.
You make me sick.
The man own a film company. Not that you over there say no. Him just moving from there and thing the people. I bully people.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
No, no, hell no!
Ah, shit. Ow! You disgust me.
People not try, nothing do nothing. That man I mean not have nothing. That man is just a madman. Are you sick? My rider left you. Are you sick? You sick. You sick. It is not good to look a dumb animal. Him sick people. I saw him attack people. You know where them have him around here live in a good community. Yo, left him case, you know. But yeah, people, this is where I'm gonna end the video. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Let me carry there. Let me carry there. Who got me carry from out there a while ago? Let me carry. I must but to go and buy food. See a thing here. We should have looked on earlier on before me forward. I should have text me after. I must she go and buy something, man, and just take me care because I left it on. But yeah, big up on yourself, people. Big up everybody who they are watch. Big up everybody who they are. One of them also find me soon by now. Or myself, man. But yeah, this time I'm gonna end the video. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to make you know every time I post a video. When I get to a shout out in the next one. So until next time, people, I'll see you when I see you. Peace.